Have you ever felt this? You sit down to study English, and after just 15 minutes, your brain feels tired. You lose focus. You want to quit. But here's the question. Why does learning English feel so exhausting? Are you lazy? No. There's actually a scientific reason behind it. Your brain is doing hard work. When you use your native language, everything is automatic. You don't think about grammar. You don't think about vocabulary. But when you use English, your brain has to do everything manually. Understand new sounds, translate meaning, build sentences, check grammar. It's like your brain is running multiple apps at the same time. And that costs a lot of energy. The real reason you get tired. The main reason is cognitive overload. Your brain is processing too much information at once. Think about it. New words, new sounds, new structures. Everything is unfamiliar. So your brain has to slow down and work extra hard. That's why even 20 minutes can feel exhausting. Translation is draining your energy. Here's another big problem. You translate in your head. You hear English, convert it to your language, then understand it. That's a two-step process. More steps equals more effort equals more fatigue. Fluent speakers don't translate. They understand directly. You're using the wrong learning method. Many learners try to memorize vocabulary lists, study grammar rules for hours, force themselves to focus. This makes learning even harder. Why? Because your brain prefers, meaning context and patterns, not isolated information. How to reduce brain fatigue. Here's how to make learning easier. 1. Learn in small sessions. 10-20 minutes is enough. Don't overload your brain. 2. Focus on meaning, not every word. Don't try to understand everything. Understand the main idea. 3. Stop translating. Train yourself to think in English. Even simple sentences help. 4. Use interesting content. Watch videos, listen to topics you enjoy. Enjoyment reduces mental effort. 5. Repeat, don't cram. See the same words multiple times. Repetition builds automatic understanding. So remember, your brain is not weak. It's just overloaded. When you learn the right way, English becomes easier, and your brain stops feeling tired. Because the goal is not to work harder. The goal is to make learning easier. If this video helped you, like it, share it, and subscribe for more simple English lessons. Keep listening, keep growing, and I'll see you in the next video.